Yo, what's up, money managers? Ever looked at your finances and thought, man, I need a little more organization? Or maybe you're just trying to keep your spending habits in check. Whatever the reason, you might be wondering if you can have multiple personal accounts with Monzo. Let's dive in and find out. First off, let's talk about why you might want two Monzo accounts. Maybe you're a freelancer and want to separate your business income from your personal spending. Or perhaps you're saving up for a big purchase and want to keep that money separate. It could also be that you're just trying to budget better and want to track different spending categories. Whatever your reason, it's a valid one. So, can you actually have two personal Monzo accounts? Well, the short answer is not right now. As of this video, Monzo only allows one main personal account per customer. But don't get too disappointed just yet. There are still ways to manage your money effectively with just one account. Let's talk about Monzo pots. These are like virtual piggy banks within your main account. You can create as many pots as you want and give them specific names like holiday fund, rent, or groceries. This is a great way to separate your money mentally and visually. Plus, you can set up automatic savings to transfer money into your pots regularly. Another option is to use Monzo's budgeting features. You can categorize your spending and set budgets for different areas of your life. This can help you see where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. Now, while having multiple personal accounts isn't currently possible, it's worth keeping an eye on Monzo's updates. They're constantly improving their app and adding new features, so there's a chance they might introduce this option in the future. So, to recap, while you can't have two separate Monzo accounts, you can still effectively manage your money with pots and budgeting tools. It's all about finding the system that works best for you. Remember, financial management is a personal journey. What works for one person might not work for another. Experiment with different methods and find what helps you reach your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.